You sure? Who told you that? Huh? Oh, shoot. You in my trap? You serious? I didn't know you'd want to do that. Oh, yeah, that. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I thought about that, but I'm sure. Hey, dude, why did you get in my trap? Did you want to get, wait, what? No. Yeah, what's that? Oh, what? What was that supposed to, yeah. Well, Buster, you sure? Really? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna talk to you later. Well, I did get a coon. I got an opossum. And I don't like opossums, but I got one a couple days ago. I got 2 skunks a couple days ago. And a squirrel and a chipmunk. So, and a deer. But I didn't get a deer in a trap, don't worry. I wouldn't be able to keep a deer in a trap. I think a deer did step in one of my traps, so I'm not too sure, but hey. Anyways, yeah. This guy looks pretty happy. What do you say? Well, I told the possum that I would get a coon instead of him next time, and I did. So it worked. So yeah. Hopefully I'll catch more of you guys. Doesn't that sound like a good idea? Catch more of yous? I never heard a coon make such a weird sound. He's like, like he's laughing at me or something, telling me I can't kill him. I can kill him. He's still looking at me going, I'm like, good. I'll get you. Don't worry, you're fine. So, yeah, the old fat coon.